my pep?
Pep for what? Wow, what's all that now?
You smell nice. What's the name of your pep?
Oh shit, loco, shut up.
Bro, you're even wearing my top.
I'm coming. I want to go and buy Gary outside. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Pay you! Pay you!
Papi J!
There you.
Papi J!
There you.
My guy!
My God.
No, come back.
There you. You never still make up.
When I saw we see and God could do it. My brother, wait. No, you can't be this.
One of those cars that I compound, one of the small ones.
I beg, show me the way now. Show me the way. You see now? Naja, who you dey do?
No be Yahoo. Now I pay logistic investments. Those guys are wonderful. And this one, no be scam where you dey see up and down. You fit check their IG and yourself. These guys, they make their profit from funding people and also trading with some financial houses, you know, like Forex, binary option, like other financial brokers.
Now all those forex, man, I know sabi do.
You no need to know. All you just need to do now invest. They go trade for you, and you go just receive alerts. You don't understand? Yeah. And with as little as 5,000 naira to 500,000 naira, you are good to go.
But that money me I no get oh. Money to start I no get.
Okay. Make I just help you with small thing though, based on say you don't take.
Thank you, my brother. 01 22.
Okay.
22.
You're so cute. Can you be my man?
I'm so
There you. Even man are prosper now.
I don't want to prosper. What you just said now, I'm speechless.
No, you don't have to be shy. Just give me the Instagram handle. The Instagram handle, the person who helped you with your shirt. Sorry.
Papi J! Ha! Fuck shit!